Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Job Villa. Today we are going to discuss some jobs present in Saudi Arabia. These jobs are related with the QA/QC manager, piping engineer, surveyor, HSE officer, security, site, QC inspector, plumber, electrician, coring technician, coring helper, and last one is sport installation technician. These jobs are present in KSA region, khobar and jubail. We have an urgent requirements for the following roles that described in previously. So apply with confidence and send your resume out at the email of jobs at aam.com.sa. So we hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these jobs, and subscribe our channel and share with others that want to grab some jobs, and hit the bell icon button also to get the notification when new video will come. Thank you.